Friends, good evening. I am going to tell you today trading with technical indicator. There are two strategies which I am going to cover. First is buy support and sell resistance, pivot point method will VWAP indicator. The second strategy is 20 40 simple moving average and parabolic SAR. So I will use major indicator, VWAP indicator. Then I will take a simple moving average, which I already told. I will use 20 days simple moving average and 40 days simple moving average. Parabolic SAR, it is a indicator which give us signal of a trend change. So this will give a reversal. If there is a trend reversal, then parabolic SAR will give you a hint. Trade setup, trade recommended for the time frame is 15 minutes. You can use 15 minutes time frame. Intraday normally we use 15 minutes time frame. Then again I am repeating indicator to use pivot point and VWAP indicator for the first strategy, and the second strategy we are using 20 days simple moving average and 40 days moving average and parabolic SAR. Market condition, stock market should be or must be in bull or bear. I mean to say market should not have range bound. I have given a note. Please identify the trend. Do not trade again trend. Just check your Nifty is bullish or bearish. You have to see that. The second thing you have to see sector index. Sector index means, let's say, banking index, IT index, metal index, pharma index. So the stock which you trade, that index must have positive. These two criteria first you should meet. First criteria is trade in index direction. The second criteria is see the sector index which you are doing trade, do the stock selection. I already told you stock selection, entry exit criteria. Please do not miss my any video, otherwise you will not able to understand. I will always tell if I have covered something. You have to see one by one video, because these things I already told. VWAP indicator is a volume, weightage, average, price indicator. This is a really very good indicator. So now I am going to show you first strategy. I am using this in a Zerodha setup. Zerodha has been used by most of the trader in India. You can use in investing also. Whatever software you are using, you will get that detail. I am going to take Reliance Industries. So time frame, you see here I put 15 minutes time frame. Then I am going to add indicator PIVOT, pivot point. I added this indicator. Then the next I told you VWAP, VWAP, VWAP indicator. You see that. I already told you the preferable time frame always for trade to take a trade is 10:30 9:30 to 10:30, because market has maximum momentum. So you must follow that. Then see, I applied here. You can put, if you want, you can put one more indicator that will tell only volume, nothing else. Volume chart, you see, volume. So you will know that these stock have volume. This is basic indicator. This will tell the volume. So you see that I am going to remove volume indicator, because I will use only these two indicators. You see that you see here, this is first candle. See, this is the first candle. You see there, here it is a pivot point, and you see that from here, you see here it is a big fall. Market has opened. This is the first 15-minute candle. This is the second 15-minute candle. On, you see, this is the pivot point, and here the Reliance first candle price, then the second candle. First candle has broken the price, it has gone down. You see here, from here you can take a short trade. Here you see that, you see this is the pivot point. So I already told, if any stock is going below pivot, then and you have a bearish candle on that, so you have a short trade. So you should have shorted here. You seen the volume is going down. Share is going down. You see, earlier the price was, candle was above VWAP, and now it has gone below VWAP. This is observation, you see that. So VWAP is going down, you see. So volume is there, but trend is reverse trend. So here you have made a short. You see, the share was 1560, and you see, you can continue with the trade here from 1560 to, you can have trade 1492. So this kind of profit you can get in one share. So you can continue here, because after pivot point it has broken support 1, then again on support 1 it has again a strong candle. So you can go down. There is no trend reversal candle. Then you see it is again down. So after support 1, you see there is a small line, it is support 2, it has broken support 2 also. So you can continue. Again there is a bearish candle, so there is a no exit has been shown, so you continue with the trade. So from here you see 15, the Reliance, once you taken a short trade, Reliance was on 1560 approximately, and here you see that it is 1489. So you see how much profit you can get. 40 rupees plus here 10. So you have got 50 rupees profit per share. You continue till even if this is the range bound market, you see this market is sideways. You see from 11:45 I already told the market goes in range bound, you see. So you can exit here. So I have shown you one trade. By this way you can try. I can take another share, ICICI Bank. You see here. You see ICICI Bank. You see here it is 9:45. So you have to use your logic also. The stock is range bound, so here you don't have any trade. You see here. This is, you see here, this is the support one, and from here you see a buying candle at 2 o'clock. Then you see if you have bought here, then you see VWAP already got change, and you observe here candle was below and it has came after VWAP, above VWAP, and you see the share was on 312 rupees. Then it has gone, it has opened, it has crossed the pivot, and you see from here. So you can get from this price 310 rupees to you can get 323. So you can get 10 plus 2, 13 rupees profit. So I have shown you this strategy on 2 shares. You can try another share. You have so the next strategy I am going to show you parabolic SAR with simple SMA. I am going to add here simple moving average. Moving average, I will use here 20 days SMA. Done. Then I will use here moving average 40 days. I will change color. You see this is a blue color. Then I will use parabolic SAR. These three indicators I will use only. You see here 9:45. You have to see where trend is changed. See here, because the market has opened gap up today. You see here there is a trend change. Here you see trend change. So if candle is above parabolic SAR, then stock will be usually up, and if it is below a parabolic SAR, then it will down. You can see in other stock also. Let me take Axis Bank. This is 15-minute chart. This is a gap. Actually this market is very gap up gap down, so that is why today market was range bound. So I will make this setup again for Reliance only. You see that here on this point there is a simple moving average crossover. So for this you see this is a 20 days moving, this is a 40 days moving average, and this is the parabolic SAR. So you can see here there should be once a small moving average cross big moving average, then there is a uptrend. When bigger moving average cross a small moving average, then there is a downtrend. So you see here this point, you can see this point, you can see here this point. You see market has opened 9:15 and you see there is a moving average crossover. This is 20 and 40. 20 has crossed from up to down, then the stock is going to fall, and parabolic SAR has also trend change. You see this was below candle, then it came above candle. So you see once trend change is there and moving average crossover, you can take a short rate. If you have taken a short rate at 9:30, then you see the profit, you get the similar profit, and this is a range bound market. So I already told you, don't have a trade between these sideways range bound market. I will take any other share. Let me take M&M, Mahindra. You see Mahindra also share. See, because today market was very opened with high gap up. You see here, from here you see there is a trend change. The parabolic SAR was above candle, then it came below candle, and you see that. And moving average also, this is 20 moving average and this is 40 moving average. So this moving average is crossing this moving average, means 20 moving average has changed its direction. So you can buy here because there is a trend change and you get a buy signal. You see, you get a buy signal, so you can buy it here at the level of 383. Then you continue with the trade, and this is 394, so you can get 11 rupees profit. So I have told you these two strategies. You can try these strategies, work in normal market. I mean to say bear and bull market. If there is a range bound market, it is not going to work. So you can try that. Please do a paper trade and test is, if you are comfortable, then you can try. This video is for education purpose. And for any queries, you can, I am available on WhatsApp 9873938781, and you can mail me either. Please subscribe my channel so you will be getting always new strategies, and recommend to those who are doing trading on regular basis or who are planning to learn the stock market. I will be sharing new strategies always. You can have a practice on that. I already told you should take a proper training with NSE certified person or a good institute. So good stock market institute, identify the trainer whether he has theoretical and practical, I mean say trading knowledge, he is doing trading, so he can help you. So this is what I told you, so you can try this. Thanks a lot. Please share the videos to others who want to learn, who want to grow in stock market, and tell them to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day, nice evening. Thank you, friend.